If you're a beginner programmer in 2026, using AI isn't optional anymore, it's essential. But with GitHub Copilot, ChatGPT, and Cursor constantly making headlines, which one should you actually learn first? In this video, we're breaking down how all three work, their pros and cons, which one is the absolute best fit for your stage in coding. ChatGPT, how it works. Conversational AI via browser or app. Best for explaining complex concepts like a senior engineer, debugging error messages, and answering, "Why does this work?" GitHub Copilot, how it works. An extension inside VS Code, JetBrains, etc., that suggests lines or blocks of code as you type. Best for speeding up repetitive code, completing functions, and keeping you in your coding flow. Cursor, how it works. A full fork of VS Code built from the ground up around AI models, Claude, GPT-4, etc. Best for full codebase context, multi-file refactoring, and asking AI questions about your entire project structure. So, which one should you choose? If you are completely new, weeks 1 to 4, stick with ChatGPT alongside manual coding so you actually learn fundamentals without relying on AI crutches. If you know the basics and want to code faster, install GitHub Copilot in VS Code. If you're building full portfolio projects, transition to Cursor for maximum productivity. Which AI tool are you currently using? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly coding guides.